Hi. First, I'd like to thank you for choosing the power of discipline. You've just made one of the best investments to your own life, and your future will thank you for that. Also, I want to salute you for being willing to commit and take massive action for your future, especially when it comes to making transformational changes to upgrade your life, especially when it comes to making transformational changes and turning your vision into a reality. I'm certain that you're going to love what you discover in the power of discipline, but your order is not quite complete yet though, so don't leave this page yet or you'll lose out on your one-time opportunity to achieve your goals and massive success. So before you go, here's my special one-time offer for you. Don't worry, this video presentation is a lot shorter this time. What I'm about to show you will increase your likelihood of following through with the method and achieving so much more than you ever thought possible. It's an amazing offer that will complement your new The Power of Discipline. Introducing the Power of Discipline Video Upgrade. To unearth all the secrets within the book, you have to read through all the pages, and I know that this process can be extremely tedious for many. That said, I'm pretty sure that more than 60% of the readers won't even last a single chapter. That's the reason why many didn't get the results they truly desire, because they gave up halfway through the process, and I don't want you to be one of them. What if I can show you a way to shortcut the tiresome process? Would you be interested? That's right. I'm talking about cutting half the time you spend on reading and gaining 30 to 40% more results. If you are, then you will love the video course of The Power of Discipline. As you probably already know by now, videos are one of the most impactful ways to keep one engaged with your content. Think of this upgrade as a live workshop where I'll guide you by the hand and show you step by step as if I'm right there beside you. You remember more from this video course than the blueprint because you have a voice that speaks to you, guides you, and grabs your attention with visual graphics. You can absorb everything easily from this course without any distractions or boredom. Did you know that we remember 50% more of the things we see and hear? This interactive form of visual receiving allows you to easily recall what you've learned and break the boundaries of what you might already know about a topic. These videos are designed and recorded by a professional voiceover actor for optimum results, meaning you get more profound results in less time. And I want you to see positive, real results when you put everything you've learned into practice. Inside this amazing video upgrade, you get 8 premium quality videos of The Power of Discipline. Get ready to go beyond your limitations and unleash the greatness within you. All you need to do is sit back, relax, and push the play button and reap all the benefits. Here's a sneak peek of the topics in this upgrade: the art of discipline, benefits of self-discipline, why poor discipline can destroy you, strategies to build unbreakable self-discipline, the superiority of discipline over motivation, how highly successful people develop powerful self-discipline, and much more waiting to be discovered inside. So, how much for this upgrade? Well, I could easily charge you $497 for the above upgrade, considering the amount of time and effort put into creating this fantastic course. However, I am not going to charge you that much. As I mentioned before, I only want those who are truly committed to join this course. And I know that you are one of them, or else you wouldn't be reading this page. So I'm going to give you a really special offer. In this exclusive one-time offer, you get instant access to the Power of Discipline video upgrade for just a fraction of its total value. And did I mention that you get to try this with zero risk? That's right. Your purchase of this video course is backed by my 100% ironclad guarantee for the next 30 days. If you're not completely satisfied, simply return your order within 30 days for a full refund. I'll see that your money is promptly refunded. You have my word on it. Just so you know, this offer is not made available to the public. I intend to keep this golden opportunity limited only to you and others who are committed in taking charge of their life. Also, it's my way of saying thanks for choosing me, and I think you deserve to get this almost exclusively. So if you click away or close this page, you won't get to see it again after this. There you have it. Get everything you see on this page for a low one-time investment only. Click on that order button now.